Hey YouTubers, this is Michael Steinmates here. Today is the release day for the Doctor Who in the Lost in Time box set. This is a package that came back. It looks like a box. Let's unboxing and see what's inside. Here we go. That one popped. It's the air packaging. And the box set. And here we go. It says, Michael, thank you for your business. Have a great day. I don't know what his name is, but this is so cool. Here we are. Here is Doctor Who, the Lost in Time box set. Collection of rare episodes. There's the first Doctor, William Hartnell, and the second Doctor, Patrick Troughton. This is very good. I've seen this before. Let's see. The William Hartnell years and Patrick Troughton years. 3 disc. Look, there it is. This is 2 of those DVDs. Wow. 2 DVD cases. Price of 1. Films from Story number 14, 21, 24, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 43, and 49. It has a lot of those episodes. This is so cool. Including these episodes they have was The Crusade, The Dalek Master Plan, The Celestial Toy Maker, The Underwater Menace, The Moon Base. I already have the Moon Base and the Underwater Menace, but it was very cool. Here we have was The Faceless Ones, The Evil of the Daleks, The Abominable Snowman, The Enemy of a World, The Web of Fear, The Wheel in Space, and The Space Pirates. This is so cool. And here we have is the audio commentary with actors Julia Glover, Peter Pervez, and Kevin Stoney, and Deborah Watling. So cool, isn't it? The Missing Years, 50 minutes, future of lost episodes. This is so cool. Definitely didn't have anything like is the Macro Terror, the Highlanders, and Power of a Daleks. I already have that DVD of Power of a Daleks. This is so cool. And there's Fury from the Deep. He's both on audio that it was before. Let's see. Both of them came from the same years. Well, it's definitely cool. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have Lost in Time of William Hartnell. This looks like a clock. The Crusade has originally transmitted in March 27th, 1963, March 27th to April 10th, 1965. This is so cool. And this one from the Dalek Master Plan, originally transmitted in November 20th to December 11th to January 15th, 1965 to 1966. And this one, the Celestial Toymaker, originally transmitted in April 23rd to 1966. Well, there it is. Let's open it up. Here we have is the William Hartnell DVD. Approximately 146 minutes. It's very cool. And then there's a Warner Brother logo, DVD logo, and the BBC video logo. Well, it's definitely it was before. Well, looks like I do it before. Here we go. Here's Patrick Troughton of Doctor Who Lost in Time DVD. Here's the second Doctor, Patrick Troughton. And there's, let's see, originally this Underwater Menace came. Very cool. Well, the Underwater Menace is originally transmitted in January 28th, 1967. I already have the Underwater Menace, and I already have the Moon Base. Well, this is so cool. Here we go. Here's the Faceless Ones, originally transmitted in April 8th to 22nd, 1967. Here's the Evil of the Daleks, originally transmitted in May 27th, 1967. Then the Abominable Snowmen, originally transmitted in October 7th, 1967. And The Enemy of a World, originally transmitted in January 6th to 1968. The Web of Fear, originally transmitted in February 3rd, 1968. And Wheel in Space, originally transmitted in May 11th to June 1st, 1968. Well, this is so cool. And here we have the Space Pirates, originally transmitted in March 15th, 1968. Well, this is so cool. But this one's wrong. It was very wrong. It was before. Well, better open it up. It has recycled material on the Patrick Troughton DVD. This one is as well on William Hartnell DVD. Here we have was the disc of Patrick Troughton of Lost in Time. Approximately 146 minutes and 143 minutes. This is so cool. Well, I'll have to go get something and I'll be right back. Well, I'm back with my 3 of those DVDs I have. This is very good. I've seen this before. What we have was the moon base that I have on FYE. It was very good. This is a disc of the moon base. Then it has nothing. It's just a scratch. If I got a scratch on that DVD, am I gonna get another one? Here we have was the Underwater Menace that I have. I buy the Underwater Menace since 2007. I buy that on DVD on this BBC shop. It has recycled material we have. There's a disc of the Underwater Menace. And here's the Power of Daleks. I got it on Walmart. This is very good story. It has recycled material. Disc 1 for the color and the disc 2 for black and white. Well, I'm sorry I took so long, but I will watch this one since when I'm done with the Dalek Invasion of Earth. Well, that's about it. See you next time.